Connect your Mailchimp account to CoSchedule to create, view, and edit email campaigns from your calendar. Easily visualize how email campaigns fit into your overall marketing strategy. Don't send subscribers too many emails or repeat content. With a Mailchimp integration, you will see all the campaigns you've recently sent on your marketing calendar. If you have any unscheduled drafts, review them in your idea bin. Save time by creating new email campaigns without leaving CoSchedule. Choose Mailchimp from the drop-down menu to instantly create a new email campaign in Mailchimp. Add a project title for easy reference, and choose your email type. Next, maximize your open rate by writing an engaging subject line. Analyze and improve your copy's clickworthiness with our built-in subject line tester. The changes you make in CoSchedule transition seamlessly to Mailchimp. Click Edit in Mailchimp to finalize campaign details. Choose your recipients, design your content, and schedule your email. Hit an unexpected delay? Once your campaign is scheduled in Mailchimp, you can easily reschedule it on your CoSchedule calendar. All changes are synced with Mailchimp in real time, so if you decide to tweak that subject line again, you can edit with confidence right inside CoSchedule. Creating, editing, and rescheduling email campaigns that connect with your audience doesn't need to be difficult. Get started by enabling the Mailchimp integration for CoSchedule.